Hello, I am Alfredo, and this is my third student video. Okay, so you said to pick 3 out of the 4, and I saw that after I did it, and so I'm gonna just do these last 3 real quick. Okay, so for this question, we have the indefinite integral of 4 to the power of 4x minus 6 with respect to x. And so I had to use u substitution, where my u was my integral, 4x minus 6. My du was 4 d of x. And so I have an extra 4 there, so I have to multiply by 1/4 in order to get rid of that extra 4 for my du. I ended up getting 1/4 times the indefinite integral of 4 to the power of u with respect to u. And I use my rule for integrating exponents, and I ended up getting 1/4 times 4 to the power of u over the natural log of 4 plus c. And of course, I can't leave my answer in terms of u, it has to be in terms of x. And so I got 4 to the power of 4x minus 6 over 4 times the natural log of 4 plus c. This next question, I had to find the derivative of this function 5x to the power of 7x. I manipulated my function a bit, and I ended up getting e to the power of 7x times the natural log of 5x, because I would do e to the power of the natural log of 5x. So basically bring my 5x down because the e and the natural log cancel. Now I saw this and I knew that I had to use my chain rule a bit. And so to get started, I went ahead and find my derivative of my inside function. And so the derivative of 7x times the natural log of 5x, I had to use product rule. And so my derivative of x times g, of f times g plus f times the derivative of g, and then I have to use chain rule again. Some stuff ended up canceling out, and I have 7 times the natural log of 5x plus 7, and that will be my derivative of g, my inner function. And so my derivative of my outer function is it was e, so e to the power of 7x natural log of 5x times my derivative of g of x, which I already saw over here. And then I ended up canceling that e and the natural log to bring down my 5x. And I have 5x to the power of 7x times 7 natural log of 5x plus 7. And then for this last question, I have the definite integral of hyperbolic sine over hyperbolic cosine plus 2 with respect to x. So again, I use my u substitution, where u was hyperbolic cosine x plus 2. And so my du was hyperbolic sine dx. And so that gave me everything I needed. And so I just had the indefinite integral of 1 over u of du. And so that will be the natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. And then I plugged in my u, and so I had the natural log of the absolute value of hyperbolic cosine plus 2 plus c. And if you want to see the first one, there you go.